Hey guys, welcome to another DIY project. I'm Vaishali and I'm so excited to show you guys how to install wallpaper in today's video. So it's very easy and it covers up the imperfections in your wall and a lot easier than what a painting can, and it comes in a lot of patterns and colors that can transform a space. I want to show you guys before I put the wallpaper up what the wall looks like currently. So this is what it looks like without anything done to it. Let's quickly check out what we need to apply this wallpaper. So this one is the wallpaper that we are going to install, and the other things are like the adhesive, paint roller or brush, and a knife, measuring tape, scissors, pencil, etc, etc. So before getting started, make sure you measure the height of the wall and the width of the wallpaper so that you'll know how many panels of wallpaper should be prepared for the wall. So you can mark horizontally also on the wall the width of the wallpaper and repeat the marking at every width. So by doing so, you know that how many panels of wallpaper is needed to cover the wall. Now prepare the wallpaper according to the height of the wall and cut the wallpaper accordingly, and be extra careful while cutting the wallpaper. Let me tell you, the wallpaper that we are going to install is not a self-adhesive wallpaper, so it requires wall adhesive. So here we need to work on glue preparation. You'll need a glue powder and water for this. All you need to do is pour 3 liters of water in a container and add the glue powder and stir until they are dissolved, and wait at least for 5 minutes for the glue to be concentrated. Before getting started, make sure the wall is dust free and clean, and move all the furniture away from the wall so you will have enough space to work from. So let's start with applying the glue. Here, make sure you're applying it evenly and thoroughly with the help of paintbrush or paint roller. Let's get into the installation procedure. The installation shall begin from the top. So first stick the wallpaper on top and then slowly come to the bottom and stick it slowly with your hands, and make sure the wallpaper is parallel with the wall. You can use the scraper or seam roller here to evenly stick and flatten the wallpaper to the wall. Seam roller is actually a wallpapering tool. It helps to achieve a clean transition between the individual stripes of wallpaper, and it sticks evenly and flatten the wallpaper to the wall surface. So if there are any extra bits of wallpaper, you can cut it out with cutter at the bottom and top, and you can clean up the glue at the edges of wallpaper by using a wet sponge. Same way, install the second panel next to the first one and make sure the pattern is matte while sticking the paper. Run your hand over wall just to see if there is any air bubbles or something. Well, that was pretty easy. Now we just have to repeat the process. Let me show you in slow motion how seam roller actually works. This is how we need to run the seam roller on wallpaper. Now we just need to repeat the same process for the rest of the panels. Here my husband is busy installing the wallpaper inside. Let me show you the outside view, what is happening. So it's raining outside. take a look at the wall when nothing is done to it. I mean the before look, and here is the final look. Isn't it looking pretty? So as you can see, this wall has turned out to be so pretty. I just loved it. Okay, I think that's gonna complete this wallpaper installation video. I don't know how long this video is. I just wanted to show you guys the process, and we'll probably do something new to enhance the look of the wall. We'll share the video with all of you for sure. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments below, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to my channel. We'll see you all soon in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.